Hi guys, this is your girl Slimflyy coming to you with another tutorial this week. I know it's been a few months since you've seen my face, but I'm getting back at it. This week's tutorial is going to be about a sweatshirt cold shoulder look using zippers. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, keep watching.
For this tutorial, you will need a sweatshirt of your choice, matching thread, zippers, and a measuring tool.
And as you can see, I have already done my zipper on this side. And see, you can just see here, the finished look. So that's what we're going to achieve on this side over here. Okay, so we have a 12-inch zipper, and we're going to measure off here 6 inches on each side. And marked it with pins on each side to show this. So we're going to do 6 inches, and then we're going to take our seam ripper and we're going to take loose the seam at that size. Be careful not to rip the fabric because it will put a hole in your fabric if you're not careful. Okay. So we have the seam all picked out. Fix my pen here. So now what we're going to do next is attach our zipper, and I'll show you how that's done. All right, so we're going to be placing the zipper on the front so that we can access it from the front. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it, and then we're going to pin this as close to the edge as we possibly can. Okay, so now we're going to take our sewing machine and we're going to stitch along this edge as close to the zipper as you possibly can. You don't want to do it too close because then it's going to start catching when you get ready to zip it close. So we're going to go ahead and stitch this, and then we'll be back. Now you're going to flip it over the edge, unzip this zipper, and now we're going to sew it on the other side. Zip the zipper and attach it to the other side as close as we possibly can. we're going to top stitch along the edge so that it matches this here. And there we go.